photo locations.
Yeah.
So if you take photos as you travel, which we certainly think you should, you lots of times want to know, where was this picture taken? And if you take it with a smartphone, some device that has a GPS built into it, it's very easy to do. Using Google Photos, if you're looking at your photos on a computer, you click that little eye, and that opens up the info panel to the right, and you should see a map there. On a phone, when you're using Google Photos, you just swipe up on the photo to reveal the info panel. And if you don't want to see it anymore, you swipe down. So just swipe up, swipe down. If you try that on any of your photos and you don't see a map, that means that your photo doesn't have the location information, sometimes called geotagging. You either took the photo using a regular camera that doesn't have GPS built in, or your settings are not turned on your phone to do the geotagging. So where is that setting? On an Android, you go into the camera settings, and it's called location tags or geotags, and you turn it on. In the iPhone, it's in your main settings under location services. Location services must be on, and then you do camera. And just to make sure you understand what I'm talking about, I want to show you on the phone. Android phone, you open the camera app and look for settings in there. And you should find a setting somewhere called location tags or geotag, and you make sure that that's on. On the iPhone, it is in the main settings under privacy. So the main settings, you have privacy and then location services. And location services must not only be on, but then you need to look down in the list below location services, and under camera, make sure it's set to while using rather than never.